I'm Si from North Wales. I'm one of the North Wales Inner Circle leaders. I've got a couple of essays, one in Chester City Centre, one in Liverpool City Centre, and I've got a development in the pipeline for this year.
So tell me, so where are we today?
We're at Heathrow. It's been one of the weekly events, one of the monthly events that's a week long. I'm only here for the dinner tonight, but yeah, they're good events.
So let's talk about the academy. How has it been for you?
It's been excellent, to be fair. The networking, I think, is the main thing for me, and then the support as well. You know, it's all really, really good.
Amazing. So just dive into this. What kind of support do you need?
As much as you need, basically. Yeah, there's mentor calls and all sorts. It's I'd highly recommend it. Yeah.
And to someone who hasn't been to a crash course, has been to an event, who's thinking about it, what do you think?
The place to start is the crash course, isn't it? £1. You've got no excuses, and that'll you'll see there that it's worthwhile.
Amazing. Final question. Tell me about Samuel. What's his name about?
I didn't hear that. Sorry, mate.
So final question. Tell me about Samuel. Tell me like what's like working with him, about his energy, that kind of thing.
Well, Samuel's energy is like off the chart, isn't it? It's excellent, which is why he does so well at these events. I think, yeah, real hypes it up, and it's good. Yeah.